Okay, we are here with our VP of E-commerce and 3PL, Dana Poling. Dana, I told you I'd get you on one of these videos, so what are we working on today?
Yeah, so today we've got the MiR 1000 pallet lift, and we're doing a proof of concept for a customer, just demonstrating how to move their Gaylord container. And the cool thing about this proof of concept is that it is exactly the application that we're currently promoting with our Flex QuickStart kits with the MiR 1350 pallet lift. So just kind of a predecessor of that version.
Awesome. Can we see it in action?
Sure, you ready?
Let's do it.